Welcome to Valencia College Organic Chemistry Laboratory Apparatus Series. My name is Dr. Eric Crumpler, and today we're going to assemble and disassemble a simple distillation apparatus. Here we have a completed simple distillation apparatus. As we can see, there's hardware, glassware, and a heating source that is required in the assembly of a simple distillation apparatus. So how do we go about doing all of this assembly and disassembly of a simple distillation apparatus? Well, let's start out identifying all of the equipment that we need with regards to this. The first is the glassware that is involved. This is a simple distillation column. This is a vacuum adapter, a three-way adapter, a thermometer adapter, and round bottoms for distilling from and receiving in. In addition to the glassware, hardware is required. Clamps, two 3-fingered clamps, one 2-fingered clamp, the assorted hardware to place the clamp onto our ring stands, 2 ring stands that are required, in addition to a heating source, and in this case, for this simple distillation, we need a heating mantle. Last happens to be 2 rubber tubing so that the water can flow through our simple distillation column. So let's begin in assembling our simple distillation apparatus. We take our first ring stand and we situate our heating mantle onto our ring stand, ensuring that it is steady and will not fall off. Next, we take our round bottom that we are distilling from and we attach it to our 2-finger clamp, securing it by tightening our butterfly nut. We take our hardware so that we can attach the clamp onto our ring stand, ensuring when we do this that our round bottom is nestled into our heating mantle. Next, we need the hardware and the glassware that involves our 3-way adapter. We take our 3-fingered clamp and we attach it and secure our 3-way adapter. Next, we take the hardware that is necessary to attach to our ring stand. Loosening up the bolt, placing it in, placing it on, and ensuring that the distances are appropriate for seating our 3-way adapter into our round bottom. Securing all hardware so that everything happens to be steady. Next, we're going to take our second ring stand and we're going to attach on our distillation column. We're going to add in our rubber tubing so that we can flow water in and out of our distillation column. Attaching our distillation column onto our 3-way and securing it with a blue clip. We note that this is, at the moment, suspended in air. To secure everything, we are going to go ahead and take our 3-finger clamp to steady our distillation column. Using the appropriate hardware, to secure it to our ring stand. We're going to take our vacuum adapter, secure it to the end of our distillation column with a blue clip. Our receiving flask is going to be connected to our vacuum adapter with a blue clip. Last, we're going to take our thermometer and our thermometer adapter, placing the thermometer through the rubber and placing it on top of the three-way adapter, ensuring that the bottom of the bulb goes a little bit below where the bend in the three-way adapter happens to be. At this point in time, all of the hardware and glassware is assembled. We now need to connect our rubber tubing to our water source, ensuring that the water goes in the bottom and out of the top. This end, where the water is coming out, is going to be in your sink, in your hood. The water flow will be at a level where it is just trickling out. Last, we're going to take our heating source and plug it up. And at this point in time, we are ready to distill our liquid. Now, how do we go about disassembling everything? At this point, we kind of do everything in a reverse order. The first thing that you're going to do is turn off your heating source and unplug it. Next, you're going to turn off the water so that there is no more water flowing through your distillation column. You're going to wait 10 to 15 minutes in order for your heating source to cool down and allow for you to be able to touch your glassware. At this point, we're going to remove the receiving flask by removing the blue clip, handing this off to our colleague and placing it to the side because we know after distilling everything, we need the distillate. Next, we're going to remove the vacuum adapter by removing the blue clip. In order to go ahead and remove our distillation column, we are going to loosen up our clamp, remove the blue clip, and take the whole assembly away, ensuring that the water hose does not come out of the sink. Loosen the clamp, place the distillation apparatus on our bench top, remove our second ring stand and its hardware. At this point in time, our distillation column happens to have water in there. We're going to turn it upside down, remove this from our water source, hold it above, and all of the water will drip through and into our sink. At that point in time, remove your rubber tubing and place your distillation column to the side. We now have the removal of our thermometer and its thermometer adapter. To remove our three-way adapter and our round bottom, we loosen up the clamp for both of these and remove the assembly. Taking care to remove our three-way adapter from the round bottom, we loosen up our clamp, remove our three-way adapter, place it to the side, and the clamp associated with it. Remove our round bottom and the two-fingered clamp, and place that to the side. Remove our heating source and our ring stand and the associated hardware. At this point in time, we place everything back where we got it, and we have assembled and disassembled a simple distillation apparatus appropriately.